And
what about quick commerce companies? You've spoken about it in the past, about the structural opportunities, the hype cycle in companies. So Zomato at 220 or a Swiggy at about 300 rupees. How do you feel about them?
Yeah, so that is one sector which is holding out very well. If you see, because see what is happening is, while price is where it is, I mean it might have fallen 20-30% from the top, they are increasing value at very rapid pace. Price is here, okay, it has come down from here, but value is increasing very rapidly. So it is quite possible if it stays here for 3-4 months. See, if you are talking about investing, it's not about picking the absolute bottom prices. It's about buying at fair prices. Okay, are you buying a company which is growing at 50-60% at a fair valuation? My sense is that is one sector where there is a momentum, and momentum will pick up further, and it will become very interesting. There are not some 10-20 players, there are only 2-3 players, and others will find it difficult to enter. Of course, others will try as the pie becomes big.
So fair value for a quick commerce company?
I would think it's fair value. It is stabilized in the sense that, see, nobody can say that 5% can move down from here. It can, but we are closer to the bottom, I am saying.
Which piece of the capital market chain is the most sticky, most durable to play this longer upswing?
I think it is not like in lending, you need capital to lend, and the stress comes through your balance sheet. In asset management, it's a very asset light. It's more intellectually driven. So
it's non-linear. The growth is non-linear.
It is exponential. The cash flow is very exponential. So so whether it is asset management, whether it is private equity, whether it is broking, wealth management, they're all extremely asset light. So when you have 300-400 lakh crores, see, if you look at 10 years out, 300-400 lakh crores of asset management, at least 50% will be private equity, another one. So another 100-150 lakh crores of private equity. Then you are talking about wealth management, which will be multiple of all this, because all the asset classes will converge in wealth management. So that will be running into maybe another 400-500 lakh crores. So the opportunity size for anywhere, and then the company has to be good at what they are doing. See, like Amrit's company is fantastic asset management company. So I mean, if you want to buy into, so you have to buy little all over. Even the so there are 6, 7, 8 segments in
the capital market space.
Yeah. And they are highly, I mean, exchanges ultimately, where, I mean, it's a monopoly and these beasts, they live for very long. So it's a very longevity opportunity. A lot of these other industrial companies and all, there may be 3 years opportunity, 5-year window. But these are monopolistic, and they are 20, 30, 40, maybe 100-year window. So your multiples will be different, altogether different.